Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi A1 Sportback S-Line. This particular model has the 30 TFSI engine with 110 PS and the slick 6-speed manual gearbox, so there's an engaging drive with a thrummy 3-cylinder soundtrack to match. Starting at the front of the car, we have the S-Line enhanced exterior styling, which includes the radiator grille, air inlet grille and front bumper, which gives this car a more aggressive style over the Sport model, while there's also striking LED headlights as standard. This car is finished in stunning Python yellow, which is complemented by the contrast roof, which is finished in brilliant black, as well as the optional 18-inch 5-spoke wide design alloy wheels. There's also S-Line badges on the front wings, heated, electrically adjustable body coloured door mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, as well as black side window trim strips. And if we move around the back, we have LED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, as well as the S-Line enhanced exterior styling, which includes the roof edge spoiler, enhanced rear bumper and rear diffuser, which gives this car quite an aggressive look over the Sport model. To access the boot, just press the button on the key or use the soft release on the hatch. Even though this is a nimble hatchback, it has a spacious boot with 335 litres of space, or the equivalent of 3 medium-sized bags, so adding your shopping or a pushchair should be really easy, while folding down the rear seats almost doubles the space and means you can add in larger items such as a bicycle if you'd like. This is a really stunning hatchback, finished in an eye-catching paint colour, and even though it has a nimble profile, it has a surprisingly spacious interior with plenty of room for all passengers to sit comfortably, especially on the comfortable pulse cloth and leather upholstered seats. Now let's have a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. And what a great interior this is. In front of you there's a 3-spoke leather multifunction plus steering wheel with buttons to control the digital instrument cluster ahead, as well as the infotainment display on the centre console. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have these toggle switches which you can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information which can display consumption and driver assist, DAB digital radio and media, as well as telephone equipment for your connected device. And if you find the information too distracting, you can have the minimum display on by clicking view, and if you click it again, it will display the information. Moving to the centre console, we have the 8.8-inch MMI Radio Plus display screen, with functionalities such as DAB digital radio, media controls for your connected device with various sources such as Bluetooth, SD card and USB, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as general car settings. Moving down, you'll see the controls for the manual air conditioning, which is standard on this model. With the easy to access toggle switches, you can easily change the temperature or speed on the move without taking your eyes off the road. We also have the optional comfort and sound pack, which adds some great extras such as the heated front seats, which will come really handy on those cold winter mornings, a rear view camera with the Parking System Plus, so you can be reassured when navigating through those tight spaces, as well as a Bang & Olufsen sound system for the front and rear. As standard, there's also Drive Select, which allows you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. As you can see, there are a few modes to choose from, with individual allowing you to customise your options, but our personal favourite is dynamic as it's the most driver focused. There's also cloth and leather upholstered front sport seats, which are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, as well as polygon structure inlays. This is a really impressive interior, blending high quality materials with some great technology. This was the walk around of the Audi A1 Sportback S-Line. If you'd like to arrange a viewing or test drive, please contact us. Thank you for watching.